Can the SBI Life Smart Money Back Saver Plan help you achieve your financial goals with confidence, or is it simply another traditional insurance plan with modest returns? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in depth analysis in this video. So, hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before we analyze this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is an individual, non linked, participating life insurance savings product. And some of the key features of the policy are it provides you with periodic cash payouts, and you also get total survival benefits, including final maturity benefit of 130% of the sum assured. Also, a maturity benefit equal to 45% of the sum assured, along with applicable bonuses, are provided, and it encourages disciplined savings through regular premium payments. And you get a flexible policy term ranging from 20 to 25 years to align with your long term financial goals. You also get premium discounts, which is available for higher sum assured options, and you have the option to enhance protection through the accident benefit rider, and tax benefits are available as well. So, these are some of the key features of the policy. Now, let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages. So, let us start first with the advantages. So, the maturity benefit is paid as a lump sum by default. However, the settlement option also allows the maturity proceeds to be received in a structured payout manner. And it also has a loan facility available for which you can take up to 50% of the policy's surrender value as loan amount. And premium rebates are also offered for choosing a higher sum assured, and you can also add optional riders to enhance your policy's coverage and protection. It also provides you with guaranteed cash payouts at regular intervals during the policy term. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages as well, like regular survival benefit payouts may be spent on discretionary expenses instead of being invested towards your long term financial goals, which can be considered as a drawback. So, the maturity benefit given here is also not entirely guaranteed, as the bonus component depends on the insurer's future bonus declarations, and it can also may vary over the policy term. So the plan offers limited flexibility with no option to customize your policy term or your premium payment term. And the survival benefits provided here is also paid at predetermined intervals and cannot be deferred, which may not always align with your financial requirements. So frequent cash payouts also reduce the amount that remains invested, limiting the power of compounding and potentially lowering the long-term wealth creation potential of this policy. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an internal rate of return analysis based on the policy brochure's illustrations. So, for example, let us assume that a 35-year-old male has opted for this policy with a sum assured of 5 lakhs. The policy term is 25 years, the premium paying term is 25 years, and the annual premium payable is 27,353 rupees. Based on the policy illustration, they have given two assumed investment rate of return like 4% and 8%. So both of these percentages are not for given results, like these are for guaranteed returns. This is just to show you how this policy can perform at worst and best case scenario. So at a 4% bonus scenario, the IRR works out to be 1.78% as per the policy's maturity calculator. At an 8% bonus scenario, the IRR works out to be 5.65% as per the policy's maturity calculator. The IRR analysis here highlights a key concern. So, despite locking your money in the policy for 25 years, the returns generated are relatively modest. So, such low return potential makes it difficult for the plan to meaningfully contribute towards long term financial goals such as retirement, children's education, or wealth creation. Further, the life insurance cover offered under the plan is also limited and may not be sufficient to meet a family's future financial needs. So, as a result, the plan falls short on both fronts. It neither provides adequate life cover nor delivers compelling investment returns. So, for investors seeking meaningful wealth accumulation and comprehensive financial protection, the policy may not be an efficient solution. So now, as we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to compare this policy returns with other alternative investment strategies. So instead of investing in insurance and investment under a single policy, let us invest in both separately to see whether that can give us a effective return. So here for comparison, we have taken up similar parameters from the previous example for a much more fair comparison. So, for a comparison, let us consider purchasing a pure term life insurance policy for life cover with a sum assured of 5 lakhs. So, such a policy would cost approximately 2,800 rupees per year for a 25-year term with a premium paying period of 25 years. So, this leaves us with 24,553 rupees annually available for investment. So, assuming this amount is invested in an equity mutual fund based on the investor's risk profile, the long term wealth creation potential can be significantly higher. So, to ensure a fair comparison, withdrawals are made from the mutual fund investment at the same intervals and amounts as the survival benefits provided under the policy. At the end of the 25-year period, the remaining units are redeemed and long term capital gains tax is applied only at final redemption after considering the annual LTCG exemption of 1.25 lakh. Under this approach, the post tax IRR of the term insurance plus equity mutual fund strategy works out to be 10.68%, substantially higher than the returns generated by the SBI life policy. So we have also presented the tabular column for tax calculation for equity mutual fund for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So this is the advantage of separating insurance and investment, which extends beyond higher returns. It also provides you with greater liquidity and flexibility, allowing investors to redeem funds when required rather than being restricted to predetermined payout schedules. So, what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the SBI Life Smart Money Back Saver plan worth it or not? So, this policy aims to provide periodic cash payouts along with life insurance protection. However, a closer analysis reveals that it underperforms on both counts. The plan offers relatively low returns and limited insurance coverage, making it inadequate for addressing your family's long term financial needs. So, while the survival benefits may provide liquidity at predetermined intervals, these payouts may not coincide with your actual financial requirements, and it also has a high agent commission. As a result, they can either encourage unnecessary spending or fail to provide sufficient support when funds are genuinely needed. Consequently, the plan adds limited value as both an investment and an insurance solution. So, a more effective approach would be to first secure families' financial future through a pure term life insurance policy. A term insurance offers significantly higher coverage at a much lower cost, ensuring adequate protection for your dependents. The savings generated by choosing term insurance can then be invested in a diversified portfolio aligned with your financial goals, investment horizon, and risk appetite. So, this approach provides greater flexibility, improved return potential, and a higher likelihood of achieving long term financial objectives. So, money back plans are generally not an efficient solution for generating regular cash flow or for building wealth. So, instead, consider creating a comprehensive financial plan that matches your unique circumstances and financial goals. If you need professional guidance, you can also consider consulting with a certified financial planner who can help you design a suitable investment strategy and make informed decisions that support your long term financial well being. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.